Hey, my name's Robin. In this video, I'm going to be taking this chicken coop and turning it into a space that fits our needs a little better. First of all, this run area is way too small. The run area is taken up by this water bowl and the ramp to get inside the coop, which doesn't leave them much space to roam around. So we're going to turn it into this. This is the original chicken coop that was purchased. It's awesome because you can access the nesting boxes from outside. You can remove the tray to change the hay inside the coop. The only bummer is this tiny little run area. It's less than 2 foot by 4 foot. And like you saw in the video, I have 3 chickens. They don't have enough space to roam. So you can buy this extendable piece. It's $80. I'm going to be honest, it's not made very well. So what instead I'm going to do is I'm going to putz around and I'm going to figure out how to make this bigger. First, I thought I'll just add on to the original run. It's not made very well, so that wasn't going to work. Then I thought I'll just demo it and I'll add on to it. So you're going to see how I'm going to make that work to give the chickens a space to be outside in a 5 foot by 8 foot space. This leftover material that I'm using here is from a previous project that had to be torn down. What I tried to do is save as much of it as I could so that this new run area was as inexpensive as possible. This chicken wire I'm attaching here is not your standard chicken wire. It's small squares, a little thicker gauge, and that's to make sure it's predator proof. We had an issue before with rats getting inside chicken coops. So that is pretty common. These panels of wire are 4 feet wide, which is just a little bit wider than the height of these panels. What I ended up doing is stapling the additional inches underneath so that there was a border surrounding the chicken coop that helps it make a little bit more predator proof, in addition to keeping the chickens from nestling up against the edge of the run, which is something Overall, I'm pretty happy with the build. It's a useful space. I think the chickens enjoy it. When they're not able to roam around the backyard, it's nice for them to have a space to feel safe. So, thanks for watching.